Want premium drone features without spending a fortune? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best drones under $300. High quality, long range, 4K camera drones that give you pro performance at a budget price. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love high-tech gear that doesn't break the bank, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss our next top gadget review. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Roku F11 Pro 4K Drone. The Roku F11 Pro comes with a 4K UHD camera for crystal clear aerial shots and up to 60 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. It features GPS auto return home, a brushless motor for smooth flying, and comes in a durable carrying case. Customer reviews. Buyers love its long battery life and stable GPS navigation, saying it's perfect for capturing vacation footage or stunning landscapes without worrying about losing the drone. Pros: 4K UHD camera for sharp video and photos. 60 minutes total flight time. 2 batteries. GPS auto return for safety. Brushless motor for smooth performance. Sturdy carrying case included. Number 2. F7 Mini SE 4K GPS Drone. Weighing just 238 g, this ultralight drone still delivers 4K video, up to 70 minutes of flight time, and a massive 9,842-foot range. It supports auto return, follow me, circle fly, and waypoint fly, making it beginner-friendly yet powerful enough for enthusiasts. Customer reviews. Reviewers are impressed by its range and flight stability, especially given its lightweight design, which also avoids certain FAA registration requirements. Pros: ultralight, 238 g, design, 4K camera quality, 70 minutes flight time, long 9,842-foot control range, multiple smart flight modes. Number 3. GPS Drone. This drone stands out with a built-in 4.5-inch LCD screen remote, so you can fly without needing your smartphone. It includes GPS, follow me, circle fly, and a 32 GB SD card for direct recording, plus a strong brushless motor for stability. Customer reviews. Users appreciate not having to drain their phone battery and love the smooth, lag-free video feed. The included SD card is a bonus for storing high-quality footage right away. Pros: 4.5-inch LCD controller screen, 32 GB SD card included, GPS with auto return, multiple intelligent flight modes, no phone required for FPV. Number 4. 4K GPS Drone under 249 g. This foldable drone offers 4K video recording, 45 minutes of flight time, and weighs under 249 g, making it super portable and FAA friendly. It features brushless motors, auto follow, tap fly, and circle fly for cinematic shots. Customer reviews. Many buyers call it the perfect travel drone, thanks to its lightweight build and easy portability, while still delivering stable, high-resolution footage. Pros: under 249 g, no registration hassle, 4K camera for clear imagery, 45-minute flight time, multiple intelligent flight features, foldable, travel-friendly design. Number 5. Mini GPS Drone. This professional-grade yet beginner-friendly drone offers up to 8K photo resolution and 4K 30 FPS video. It includes a 4.5-inch LCD FPV controller, 60 minutes of flight time, a 10,000-foot transmission range, and foldable portability. Customer reviews. Pilots praise its sharp image quality and smooth long-distance transmission. Beginners also appreciate the stable GPS hold and easy-to-use controls. Pros: 8K photos and 4K 30 FPS video, 60 minutes flight time, long 10,000-foot range, LCD FPV controller, foldable compact design. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best drones under $300. Proof that you can get professional-level performance without spending over $1,000. If this video helped you find your next drone, give it a thumbs up and tell me in the comments which one you'd pick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.